Today, we're diving into the TikTok saga of Ariel, the so-called worst tattoo artist. Her viral videos have sparked a conversation about tattooing standards and the science behind them.
Yeah, it's incredible how quickly it blew up. What exactly went wrong with her tattoos?
A lot of it boils down to basic physics and material science. For starters, needle depth is crucial. Ariel's techniques often exceed the recommended 1 to 2 millimeters.
So, what happens when the needle goes too deep?
When the needle penetrates beyond that depth, it can hit the hypodermis, causing ink to pool and creating blowouts.
I saw some examples, and those blowouts are massive. How do professionals avoid that?
It's all about precision. Professionals control their voltage between 7 to 9 volts, ensuring consistent penetration without erratic movement.
Interesting. Ariel's videos show her using 10-12 volts, right? What does that contribute to?
Exactly. Higher voltage leads to uneven saturation, which can cause those wobbly lines and inconsistent ink deposits.
And the ink itself plays a role, right? What's the ideal particle size?
Professional inks typically use particles between 4 to 8 microns. Any larger, like Ariel's 10 to 20 microns, can lead to migration and fading.
That makes sense. But what about skin prep? I imagine that has a big impact too.
Absolutely. Proper skin preparation involves stretching the skin 20 to 30%. Ariel skipped this, leading to distortion.
So there's a lot more to tattooing than just the art. How do these technical aspects affect healing?
Well, studies show that healing complication rates can be as high as 60% for amateurs, while pros maintain less than 5%.
That's a huge difference. What about the science behind ink absorption?
Ink is absorbed radially in fat layers if it's too deep. This can create visible halos within days.
Yikes, that's a quick turnaround for a bad tattoo. How can artists test their skills before inking clients?
Using practice skins with calibrated 3 mm taper needles can help build muscle memory before working on real skin.
And that Kuwahara index you mentioned, how does that fit in?
It's essential for assessing skin elasticity. An index under 20 predicts migration failures, which can ruin a design.
So, artists really need to pay attention to their tools and the materials they're using.
Exactly. It's not just about creativity. It's about understanding the science behind the process.
For aspiring tattoo artists, what's the key takeaway from Ariel's story?
Always prioritize technical skills and material knowledge over trends. It can save you and your clients from potential disasters.
That's solid advice. Thanks for the insights today.